Folks, it's your boy Black Phoenix, man. Just want to come to you with a small update. So I just left the bank, and one of my guys who I talk to every time I go in there, he's from Alabama. Every time I go in there, he's always talking to me. Hey, man, I like what you're doing, blase, blase. And today he pulled me to the side before I left out. He said, hey, man, I've been talking to my wife, and man, I've really been thinking about changing my career, and I want to get into this welding thing. And I was like, for real? He was like, yeah, man. He said, I've been watching you come in here, man, for almost a year now. And I've been seeing how you've been winning, man. And I want to be independent, man. You know what I mean? I like the feeling of being independent, and I want to do that. You know what I mean? So how much do you charge an hour to teach me? What's the situation? How do I need to get involved in this? You know what I mean? So I just want to give a small update, man, just to say God is truly blessing Hog On Welding, man. I mean, doors are opening. Actions speak louder than words, man, and we're going to take it to that next level. Hold on.